Hi there, JM and everyone. Firstly, I'd like to give a huge thanks to JM for not only running this contest and providing people a great opportunity, but also creating this course to teach people how to grow amazing food. Next, I'll introduce myself and then talk about my gardening experiences, followed by why I think I should be chosen for one of the scholarships. So my name is Nathan Jetton. I'll be turning 22 in less than 2 weeks, and I live on one of the few 3-generation family farms in Lindsay, Ontario, Canada. On our farm we have 22 pasture-raised cows with calves and 60 laying hens, as well as much acreage to farm and use for market gardening. So since I can remember, I've been very interested in market gardening. Every year my parents would grow a small garden, and in my early years I would pick the vegetables and then pretend to sell them from my little plastic house. From there I got more interested or more involved in gardening every year and eventually managed a plot myself. Soon after that I wanted a bigger area to grow vegetables in, and then since then I've been growing a fair-sized garden every year. For the past 3 summers I've been growing vegetables in this area here, which is in front of our house, about 1/5 of an acre, and I've been selling some vegetables but really haven't had much success with doing it, especially not in an efficient and sustainable way, which is why I think I would be a great fit for this market gardening course, so that I can learn how to grow a wide variety of vegetables efficiently and make it possible for this to be a future career. Myself, similar to you, JM, want to live a more healthy and sustainable life, use natural methods of gardening, and at the same time have a positive impact to society and people in my community. I have read your book as well as Curtis's and seen many of your guys' videos, and really have come to appreciate the outlook on gardening TV share, and being able to make it a business but at the same time enjoy the work and have a much positive effect to people and the environment. My ultimate goal would be being able to keep the farm in the family, and doing so by running a market garden business. My short-term or near goals would be to keep learning more about small-scale organic gardening, and you keep using this area here to grow vegetables and gain more experience and knowledge. And then once I have that and have efficient practices nailed down, I'm going to expand my operation and move into the field behind our house, where I can create and run a farm like yours. One reason I think you should choose me for one of the scholarships is that I'm a young entrepreneur eager to create and run a successful market gardening business, which does greatness for the world and nature. Another reason you should choose me is that I already have some of the tools and resources to run a market gardening business, such as large farm equipment to prepare new land, and some of the small tools to use from then on, as well as access to land, water, natural fertilizers, and markets. I've also taken part in many entrepreneurship programs and courses, so I think I have the skills and know how to run a business, and I just need to see and learn more of your proven techniques on growing large quantities of the best quality vegetables. I'm also really inspired by your lifestyle, JM, and passionate about living a similar one, doing great things for the world, being immersed in nature, and at the same time being able to positively connect with society without getting caught up in the mainstream globalized economy. Next, I'm just going to show you a little clip of my current garden and what I've been working on for the past couple weeks. So this is my garden right now. It's the one that's a fifth of an acre, and I've just been using the tarps methods, which I've been doing for a couple years, and been broad forking the soil to let it heat up more and get more air in there, and I'll be planting some more seeds soon. So thanks again, JM, for your time and this amazing opportunity. I really hope you strongly consider me being as one of the 12 for a scholarship, so that I too, like you, can do greatness for the world. Thanks. Talk soon.